This video is on Genshin Impact and this on how you guys can download Genshin Impact on the desktop. So it's pretty simple to download Genshin Impact, so follow the step which I'm going to. First step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Genshin Impact download, just like this. After you search to download Genshin Impact, you want to click on where it says Genshin Impact Step into Vast Magical World of Adventure. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Genshin Impact. Once you're over here, you want to click on this download button. Once you're over here, you just click on Windows over here. After clicking on Windows, it's going to take you to the download page of Windows. As you guys can see, it has started to download over here. Yeah, I just need to wait for some time. Now, I chose Windows because I'm downloading it on Windows. If it is Apple, you want to click on Apple. For Google, click on Google. For PS5 and PS4, click on that, alright? So just wait for some time until the launcher downloads. Now, after the launcher downloads, basically what you want to do is you want to install the Genshin Impact launcher. And after you install it, it's going to look just like this over here, as you guys can see. Once you open the launcher, it's going to look just like this. Now, once you're over here, basically you want to choose, change file path over here. After you choose on it, it's going to show you in which path you want to save this. After choosing in which place you want to save this, you just want to click on install over here. Basically, after that, it's going to start to install. And after it's installed, you want to click on launch and your game will start to run. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can download Genshin Impact on your Windows PC. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video.